Imagine making your daily commute the highlight of your day, avoiding traffic every morning and never having to stop at a gas station again. Although it may seem unattainable, modern electric bikes are demonstrating this. We're counting down 10 amazing electric bikes in this video that might eventually take the place of your car in 2026. These e-bikes are revolutionizing transportation, from strong commuting vehicles and incredibly light carbon fiber bikes to high-performance adventure cycles with remarkable range and intelligent electronics. Because of their increasing range, comfort, and everyday utility, experts continue to consider modern commuter e-bikes to be among the most practical modes of transportation. One of these electric bikes may be all you need for work, weekend excursions, and everything in between. So stay put before you spend thousands on your next car. Now, let's begin. The Aventon Level 4 is an exceptionally refined commuter e-bike, engineered to deliver a highly responsive and confident riding experience right from the start. Built with a sleek, premium frame design, it is powered by a robust 750-watt rear hub motor, capable of hitting a 1400-watt peak boost mode, delivering 80 Nm of torque for effortless acceleration. A high-capacity 733 watt-hour removable battery provides a substantial travel range of up to 75 miles per charge. Setting a new standard for urban mobility, it integrates sophisticated smart technology, including 4G GPS tracking, energy-recovering regenerative braking, remote locking capabilities, and instant motion alerts, making it an outstanding balance of advanced security and high-efficiency performance. The Walkay Ravager R60C is an absolute beast, engineered to dominate any terrain with eye-catching styling and raw performance. It is driven by a massive 4,000-watt peak output motor that churns out an incredible 150 Nm of torque, pushing the e-bike to a fierce top speed of 44 miles per hour. Powering the setup is a high-capacity 60-volt 70-amp-hour battery system that achieves an astonishing maximum range of up to 180 miles, letting you travel much farther than typical electric bikes allow. Equipped with ultra-wide 20x5-inch fat tires and a long travel suspension system, it provides unflinching traction and comfort across pavement, loose gravel, and rugged off-road trails alike, delivering an unmatched combination of extreme endurance and relentless power. The Segway Axaber 300 is a high-performance electric dirt bike engineered specifically for riders seeking pure adrenaline on off-road trails. Driven by a massive 21-kilowatt peak output motor, this trail machine rockets from 0 to 50 miles per hour in a mere 5.5 seconds before hitting a thrilling top speed of 60 miles per hour. A robust 72-volt 44-amp-hour battery is housed within an incredibly light 187-pound chassis, striking a perfect balance between nimble handling and intense power. It also features a futuristic race-ready smart cockpit, complete with independent GPS tracking, 4G connectivity, and fully customizable riding modes, making it one of the most technologically advanced and exciting off-road electric bikes available. The Aventon Pace 5 Rec is a sleek, upright cruiser that perfectly balances everyday riding comfort with high-end performance. It features a robust 750-watt rear hub motor, capable of reaching a 1400-watt peak boost mode, serving up 80 Nm of torque for incredibly smooth and effortless acceleration. A high-capacity 733-watt-hour removable battery keeps you on the move with a substantial maximum travel range of up to 75 miles per charge. Designed with a relaxed ergonomic frame geometry, it integrates an array of futuristic smart features, including 4G GPS tracking, energy-recovering regenerative braking, cruise control, secure remote locking, and seamless Apple Watch compatibility, making it an exceptionally smart and enjoyable option for modern commuting. The Lectric Express 2 demonstrates that an exceptionally smooth and premium riding experience can be achieved without a hefty price tag. It features a robust 750-watt rear hub motor that unleashes a 1310-watt peak output, allowing riders to easily reach swift speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. The e-bike delivers a reliable travel range of up to 60 miles on a single charge and comes loaded with high-quality components, including an 80mm travel suspension fork, responsive hydraulic disc brakes, and a versatile 8-speed Shimano drivetrain. A standout feature is the ability to toggle between torque and cadence sensors, allowing for a fully customized pedal assist feel that makes this powerful and upgraded model feel like an e-bike from a much higher tier. The specialized Vado 3X blends premium engineering with everyday versatility, creating a highly capable full-suspension e-bike built for both smooth pavement and rugged backroads. Driven by an advanced 810-watt specialized 3.1 motor, it generates an impressive 105 Newton-meters of torque for seamless climbing power, supported by a massive 840-watt-hour battery that provides an expansive travel range of up to 93 miles, 150 kilometers. The bike ensures ultimate riding comfort and control via a 130mm travel front suspension fork and a matching rear shock system. Fully optimized for the modern rider, it integrates an onboard color display, Apple Find My tracking, a secure turbo system lock, and convenient USB-C phone charging, delivering a confident, high-performance ride across any terrain. The Cosmos hubless e-bike showcases a striking, futuristic aesthetic that looks like it stepped right out of a sci-fi film. While its unique, centerless wheel design instantly commands attention, the bike backs up its styling with reliable everyday components, including an efficient 350-watt motor, a removable 36-volt 14-amp-hour LG battery, and a versatile Shimano 7-speed drivetrain. This configuration delivers a smooth pedal assist range of up to 43 miles, 70 kilometers, ensuring a comfortable and practical commute. To guarantee a puncture-free and cushioned ride across urban terrain, the e-bike is equipped with a rear air suspension system and solid 20-inch airless tires, making it an innovative, comfortable choice built to stand out on any street. The Cybervelo EK9 2.0 is an imposing, aggressively designed e-bike engineered for riders who demand maximum presence and extreme capability on the road. Driven by a massive rear hub motor that unleashes a 5,000-watt peak output, this powerhouse easily reaches fierce speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. It provides an exceptional travel range of up to 120 miles, fueled by a high-capacity 52-volt 40-amp-hour battery setup with an optional 60-volt 50-amp-hour upgrade. Built to conquer rugged landscapes while carrying heavy loads, the machine features ultra-wide 26 by 4-inch fat tires, highly responsive hydraulic disc brakes, and a robust 400-pound payload capacity, making it an undeniable choice for anyone prioritizing raw power, long-distance endurance, and bold styling. The Utopia Carbon Atom demonstrates that an ultra-lightweight design can seamlessly coexist with heavy-duty performance. Built around a sleek carbon fiber frame that significantly sheds weight without compromising structural strength, this premium e-bike is powered by a robust 750-watt motor capable of a 1,250-watt peak output and an impressive 90 Newton-meters of torque. A high-capacity 802-watt-hour removable LG battery keeps you moving with an extensive travel range of up to 95 miles on a single charge. Featuring an 80mm travel suspension fork, highly responsive hydraulic disc brakes, and an intuitive torque sensor, it provides an exceptionally smooth, natural, and confidence-inspiring ride for tech-focused cyclists.